If multiplication has ever confused you, don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'm going to make it really simple so it actually makes sense. What is multiplication? Multiplication means adding equal groups together. If we take a look at our example, 3 multiplied by 4, this essentially means 3 groups of 4. So if we want to have a look at this visually, we're going to have 3 even groups, each consisting of 4. So I'm just going to draw 4 circles, and this will represent one group of 4. So we'll add another 2 groups, to make this 3 groups of 4. As we can see here, 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. Just by simply adding all of these groups together, we can see that there's 4 circles in the first group, 4 circles in the second group, and 4 in the third group. So when we add them all together, we do get 12. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is also the same as 3 multiplied by 4. The key idea for this is multiplication is essentially repeated addition, where 2 multiplied by 5 is just 5 plus 5, since we have 2 groups, and 4 multiplied by 3 is just 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is an easy way to think about it. Let's test our knowledge real quick. I'll let you guys do this first. What is 2 multiplied by 6? Alright, so we'll begin by drawing our groups. So we're going to have 2 even groups of 6 circles. So that's going to be our first group. And that's going to be our second group. So our first group is 6, and our second group is 6. And this is going to be equal to 12. So 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. Very good. Now I'll give you guys a chance to do the second question. 3 multiplied by 7. So again, we're going to go by drawing up our groups. So this is going to have 7 per group. So this will be our first group. And then our second group. And our last, group number 3. So as we can see, if we count how many are in each group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we have 7 in each group, and we'll have 3 groups that we need to add, which will give us 21. So now let's test our understanding without looking at it visually. So let's have a look at 4 multiplied by 3. So as we can recall before, this is going to be 4 groups of 3. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, which gives us 12. So now let's have a look at 5 multiplied by 2. So from what we know about the groups, we're going to have 5 groups, 3, 4, 5, and they're each going to contain 2. So we don't need to draw this time, but we know we can break it up as 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 5 2's, and we add these all together, we get 4, 6, 8, and 10. So we know that 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. Let's have a look at the next example. 3 multiplied by 6, so that's going to be 3 groups, each containing 6. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 is going to give us 18. Alright, now to a slightly longer one. Let's have a look at 7 multiplied by 2. So again, this is simply just going to be 7 groups of 2, which can be written as a lot of 2's here, but 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which will be equal to 14. And that's multiplication made easy. If you follow these steps, it becomes much simpler than people think. If you want more practice problems like this, I've put them in my Year 3 math workbook. The link is in the description. Next, I'll show you guys how division works, which is basically the reverse of multiplication, so make sure you check that one out.